I'm Mr. Walcott, band teacher, 25 years. One of the problems that I've had over the years is wobbly music stands. I'm sure you've never had this problem before. Anyway, you'll notice that the base of the stand looks kind of old and beat up. It's because it's old and beat up. This kind of fixture is different than these newer stands. Can you see that? That's different than this. These older ones were not a good design, and they figured that out. That's why they changed it. So now, on Amazon, you can buy a kit for $3.99. I bought a bunch of them recently, and sure enough, they work really well. So the first thing you want to do is turn over your stand and take that greasy, ugly bolt off. So I am wiping it off first so it doesn't get all over my clothes. But knowing me, it's going to get all over me anyway. This is why I have an angry wife. Understandably. Throw the old bolt away. Take the cone off. That's right there. And usually it sticks there and you have to bang it off, but this is falling apart on its own, shockingly. I keep wiping it off because there's tons of grease there. Wiggle that part off. Set that part down. Now we got to get the silver joint off of there. So watch how I do it. Are you getting it? Mm-hmm. So now to bang it here. There you go. Voila. The other polish's off. So now I open my cute little kit, and I hope I didn't get grease all over the carpet, because that would have been smart for me to wipe this off before it hit the carpet. Once again, janitors and wives hate me. Wife, not wives. One wife. Put it on there like that. Put the legs back on. Then find the cute little cone. Goes down. Bolt goes down. Can you see this? Are you getting in here? So all I'm going to do is tighten it back up. And then I've knocked my knuckles on this thing and cry a little bit. Voila! Solid music stand should stay for quite a while. Now, if students do this or lean on them, they'll probably still eventually loosen up, but not nearly as much as those old joints. Anyway, that's all. Like me if you want to see more of this stuff. Thanks. Bye.